subscribe button so that you'd be subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you will get a notification so you don't miss any of my future video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful design. And this design is going to look really trendy and cool. And to make this design you need a pattern fabric like this and also your kurti fabric. So in my kurti I have already made my U neckline cut and my armhole, and just like that I'm going to double fold the pattern fabric, and I'm just placing this kurti fabric on top of that. And just like that I'm going to draw the shoulder, the armhole straight line and my neckline straight line. Okay, and to the down part I'm going to draw like a V shape to finish this design. You can try this on your kurta, and if you have a t-shirt also you can try this. Just like that, take a pattern fabric and you can attach that pattern fabric on top of your kurti, and you can see just like that, just drawing a V, and I'm going to cut this out. So when you go for the top part, make sure you leave like a 1 inch at the top, because if you want to make any alteration to the height you can do that. So just like that I'm just giving a 1 inch on top, and I'm just cutting this out. Okay, and just fold and see the center point, and you got that point tip. And let me place this on top of my kurti shoulder and show you how it's going to look. Okay, so just place it on top like this, and I'm going to sew this on top. Now take your sleeves fabric and take your pattern fabric, fold that in 4. So fold it 1 and fold it again, and make sure that the folded edge of the pattern fabric match the folded edge of the sleeve, and you're going to draw like a U shape, nice and neat like this. And flip this fabric out because you need the exact measurement of your sleeves. So after drawing a U, I'm just flipping the fabric like this, and you're going to cut the armhole shape, that is the sleeve shape, into your pattern fabric. Okay, and you're going to cut that U. It's going to be like a cold shoulder, and in the cold shoulder you'll be having a cut in the shoulder line, but instead of that I'm going to add this pattern. Believe me, it just looks really beautiful. And see, you have to place this pattern on the shoulder like this. So first you're going to attach this pattern fabric on your shoulder, and then you're going to make your neckline. Okay, so one side is going to be finished with your neckline interfacing canvas. To the next side you're going to attach the sleeves, so both the sides would be finished evenly. And now I'm going to sew the next side like such. Believe me, it came out really well. It looks really trendy and so beautiful. And now same I'm going to do to my sleeve. Make sure that the center point of the pattern fabric matches the center point of the sleeves. You're going to start from the center and you're going to go all the way down and finish it at the exact center point where you have started. Okay, and once it's done, just join the shoulders like this, and I'm going to attach the lace to the down part like this. Okay, so when you attach the same lace on your shoulder line, that is on the sleeves, make sure you're going to gather the lace, and then only you're going to attach the U shape of the sleeves. Sure, I'll show you right now how to do that. So it can be any thick sleeve lace. You can just still attach that to the any shape of the neckline. So you only have to follow a small trick that I show you right now. So just take your lace and make sure you keep your pointing finger at the back of the foot and run the machine like this. So this will form a beautiful gathering on the lace. So you can see the lace has been gathered like this. So this is a 1/4 inch lace. You can try this on 1 or 2 inch lace. For sure it's going to turn exactly the any shape you need. So now I'm just going to place this gathered lace on top of my pattern fabric like this, and I'm going to curve that in like this. It's a really cool tip, and hope you'll try this. And make sure there is no any raw edges underneath before attaching this, and this is how it's going to look. Now you can see it's a really simple task to sew the straight lace on a U-shaped pattern, okay, or else it's going to be like a nightmare. It's really tough time to add a straight lace to the sleeves like this. So now all you're going to do is match both the lace point together, and you're going to start from the center point of the sleeves, okay. So start from the center point of the sleeves and go all the way down. Make sure that both the lace joins together. That's a very important thing on making this design. That's a key point over here. So my shoulder line lace is being joined with the lace of my sleeves like this, okay. Once I'm sewn the one side of the sleeves, I'm going to flip the fabric and I'm going to go all the way up to finish off my next side. So you're going to go from the center. Make sure that you do that in the exact correct way. So now I'm coming out like this, and once it's done, our design is going to be ready. And you can see this is the end result, and it came out really beautiful, and I want everyone to give it a try. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.